Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple process on how to change your password for Grammarly. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Grammarly application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're on this page, go ahead and click on the new document page and it'll take you to a web browser which open up app.grammarly.com. Once you're in this page, click on the menu bar at the top left hand corner. Click on My Grammarly. Now from this page, click the account button located on the left hand side menu. Under account settings, you'll be able to see your password. Click on update and enter your current password in the first text box. Enter your new password you would like to change to or update to. After you are done, click on update and you'll be able to change your password for Grammarly. That is it for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.